Class 7 grammar. Today we'll start from combining sentence with that or which. Okay, that or which in place of the subject we'll use. We use that or which for things without life or for animals which is more formal. Without life or which is more formal. Now see, study the following pair of sentence carefully. We can join them in two different ways. I have lost the watch. The watch was gifted from my father. So I have lost the watch that or which was gifted from my father. We have a dog, it watched our house and at night. We have a dog which but that watches our house at night. The train has arrived, the train goes to Kolkata. The train which goes to Kolkata. The train which that goes to Kolkata has arrived. The shop is for sale, the shop is on the roadside. The shop which is on the roadside is for sale. That or which in place of object now. Subject now, it is in place of object now. We can use that or which as an object, but if there is a preposition placed before the object, we can use only which. Now see, I have found the pen. I had lost the pen. I have found the pen which I have lost, or that I have lost. The house is for sale I used to live in. The house in which I used to live in is for sale. The house that I used to live in is for sale. Anyone, you can both are right. We cannot say the house in that I used to live in is for sale. Okay. Now combine the following pair of sentence using that or which. Only number 1 you will do. No need to do number 2 and 3. Only one. The boys got into a bus. The bus was full of people. The boys got into a bus which or that was full of people. Anyone you can use. Which or that. In the building, it was built. This is the building. It was built in a single month. This is the building that or which was built in a single month. This is the cat. It killed the rat. This is the cat which killed the rat. The farmer is cutting the corn. The corn has ripened. The farmer is cutting the corn that or which has ripened. Okay. Nancy heard a song. The song pleased her. Nancy heard a song which or that pleased her. Here is the storybook. The storybook contained pictures. Here is the storybook which contained pictures. Like this you will do. I heard some news which astonished me. Give me the book which is on the table. You will do only number 1. Okay. Finish for today. This much. Thank you.